What is Bitcoin on Cash App? Buy Bitcoin with Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on figure out what is Bitcoin on Cash App and how you can buy. Now, Bitcoin is actually a cryptocurrency and Cash App only offers you Bitcoin, not other cryptocurrencies. Now, you can also buy Bitcoin with so many other platforms, but Cash App is also just one of those that offers you the option to trade, buy and sell Bitcoin. Now, to actually buy Bitcoin, you open the Cash App application, come to the home page, tap on Bitcoin, tap on buy Bitcoin, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy, or you can also enter a custom amount here, then tap on next option. Once you have done that, if you haven't entered your phone number, make sure you enter it, verify your account. Also make sure to verify your identity with your legal details such as your documents. Once you have done that, now you'll be able to buy Bitcoin after you confirm your payment details. This way you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, and this is what Bitcoin in Cash App is all about. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.